Hello friends, welcome back to Kinder Kids TV, where learning is always fun. So kids, let's read 3-letter CVC word with vowel U. Are you ready to learn with me? So let's enjoy the learning. B A G B A G Bug Bug J A G J A G Jug Jug H A G H A G Hug Hug M A G M A G Mug Mug R A G R A G Rug Rug. Now you try.
B A G Bug Bug J A G Jug
S A N S A N Sun Sun R A N R A N Run Run B A N B A N Bun Bun G A N G A N Gun Gun F A N F A N Fun Fun. Now you try.
S A N Sun B A N Bun
G A P G A P Cup Cup P A P P A Pup. Pup. bub. B A S B A S bus. Bus. M A D M A D mud. Mud. Now you try.
K A P cup. M A D mud.
K A B K A B cub. Cub. T A B T A B tub. Tub. B A D B A D bird. Bird. Now you try.
K A B cub. M A D mud.
Yes, now let's read easy sentence. Okay. The puppy likes to run in the sun near the hut with a soft rug and a tasty bun.
Subscribe for more videos.